Welcome to my Indian Astrology. Today we will discuss about Sthir Karak and how to check relationship using Sthir Karak and Natural Karak. So what is Karak? The planet which causes certain event or which becomes a significator of certain event is called Karak for that significance. There are two types of Karak in Parashari system. One is Sthir Karak and another is Natural Karak. For Sthir Karak, planet is always fixed for certain significance. For Natural Karak, planet is not fixed for certain significance. So this table denotes all the Sthir Karaks. So first column is the planet name and second column is the Karakatva. So first Sun. Sun represents the self and father. Moon represents the mother. Mars represents the younger siblings, brother-in-law and sister-in-law. Mercury represents maternal relatives and adopted son. Jupiter represents husband, elder siblings, paternal grandfather and children. Venus represents wife. Saturn represents old people. Rahu represents paternal grandfather, maternal grandmother. And Ketu represents maternal grandfather and paternal grandmother. So, in this chart, we will discuss about house as relationship karak. So, first house represents self. Second house represents family where you born. Third house represents younger siblings and neighbor. Fourth house represents family created by you and mother. Fifth house represents children, your lover. Sixth house represents maternal relative. Seventh house represents husband and wife. Eighth house represents in-laws. Ninth house represents father. 11th house represents elder sibling and friends. So, how to check relationship? Step 1. See the placement of Sthir Karak for the relationship you are checking. Note down the sign lot. Say A. Suppose you want to see the relationship for maternal uncle. So, maternal uncle, who is the Sthir Karak? Mercury is the Sthir Karak. So, first see the placement of Mercury in your horoscope. Suppose Mercury placed in 10th house. So, note down who is the Lord of the 10th house. Second step. Now, count the same number of houses of relationship Karak from Sthir Karak and note down the sign lot, say B. So, your Mercury is placed in 10th house. And which house is the Karak of maternal relatives? 6th house. So, you have to count 6th from 10th house. Who is the 6th from 10th house? Your third house is the 6th from 10th house. So, note down the Lord of the third house. Now, check step 3. Now, check the mutual relationship of A and B. That means, check the mutual relationship between Lord of 10th house and Lord of 3rd house for your maternal uncle. Let's see this in a chart. In this chart, suppose we want to see the relationship between children and owner of the chart. So, who is the Sthir Karak of children? Jupiter is the Sthir Karak of children. And which house represents the children? Fifth house. So, you have to count fifth from Jupiter. So, first step, let's see where Jupiter is posited. Jupiter posited in 7th house. And 7th house Lord is Mars. Now, count 5th from 7th house. So, 5th from 7th house is 11th house. And the Lord of the 11th house is Sun. Now, step 3, let's see the mutual relationship between Mars and Sun. Mars is posited in 2nd house and Sun is posited in 5th house. So, Mars and Sun are both friends, and Sun posited 4th from Mars. That means Sun posited in Kendra house from Mars. So, we can see that relationship between the children and the owner of the chart is very good. This is the end of the video. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get notified. Thank you.